lines is possible. Locations and passes include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Easton, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, North Brunswick, Ewing, Forks, Middlesex, Princeton, Bound Brook, Manville, Hackettstown, Wilson, Washington, and Blairstown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 12. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 74 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 41. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 16. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 69 and 74. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 28. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 126 and 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent clouds to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.